Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. I am back with tool number 4 of an abundant mindset. Let me tell you that if you start practicing it from today, your life will start changing. You would become such a positive person that everybody would be naturally attracted towards you. You would start gaining popularity, you would start feeling a new developed sense of self confidence, and your self esteem would be like at another level. People would crave your presence. People would feel that, where is he? Where is she? He should have been here. I mean, people would start liking you more and loving you more, but more than that, you would start loving yourself much more than you do today. So, any guesses what that is? How powerful that tool is? Let me tell you, that is to believe that you're valuable. Yes, every one of us has some value in us which we somehow, tend to forget at times. So, what happens is that sometimes we are so overpowered by what other people are telling us that we start to feel that we are worthless, that we have nothing of value, we cannot add anything to any person's life, that there is nothing we are good at, that we cannot impact anybody positively, that we are useless, that our whole life has summed up to nothing. But do you really think that that is the case? Don't you think that we have a value in us that we can give to the other person, that everybody has something in themselves which is of value? So how do those thoughts come into our minds? Do we really feel that we are worthless, or it's just that the circumstances are such that they force us into thinking that? So what happens is sometimes we receive a negative feedback from somebody. Somebody says that you're good for nothing, and we start really believing that. Somebody shouts at us. Somebody says that you are so bad at it, and we really start believing it. But is it really that way? Do you really think that we have no value to add to the other person's life? We have nothing of value in our own sense. I don't believe that. So let me tell you that there will always be people who would say that you're not good at it. There will always be people who would criticize you no matter how good you do to them or to the world. There will always be people who would feel that you are useless. But there is this one thing that I learned that changed the entire course of my life, and that is, listen it very carefully, guys. If you believe into what I'm just going to tell you now, your entire life would change. And that is, my self-worth is not decided by what other people decide for me. My self-worth is only decided by me. Yes. So other people will not come up and tell me how good or bad I am. It's me who decides my own self-worth. So because it's me who matters the most to me, and I believe that I am valuable. I believe that sometimes only my presence can light up the room. Sometimes the only thing that I have to do to be valuable to the other person is by showing up, by being there for that person. Because what happens now, that sometimes we feel that the only way we can add up value to other person's life is by selling some products, by selling some services, and taking money and giving to the other person what that person needs. But it's not necessarily that way always. Sometimes the only thing that we have to do is just to be with that person at that point of time, and you won't even realize it at times how much your presence matters to the other person, how much value you are adding to the other person's life by just giving a good advice to him. Because sometimes that advice can turn up to be a great idea, and that can change the entire course for that other person's life, and you won't even realize it. You would feel that you're doing nothing, but you have been adding so much to everybody. So believe it that you're valuable. Start believing it from today. Start believing that I can also be of help to somebody. I can also add value to someone's life. I can, just a good advice from me matters to that person. Just my presence matters to that person. And start seeing the difference that would bring to your life. You would feel more positive, you would feel more good about yourself, and you would have that increased sense of security that yes, I am also good for something. So believe that you're valuable. Start believing that, and just see the difference in you. With this, I'll take a sign off. All the best to you. Start practicing self-love, and let me tell you, you are valuable and there is only one you in this world, and this earth would not be the same without you. Thank you. All the best.